I'm Solan, the science guy, and I just got my Lego lab, and I am gonna make some snow today. There's volcanoes, tornado, and snow. Look, this is everything I'm gonna make, except not in the box. Or should I make everything together to make a big thing? It'd be so grateful. But should I open up? Ready, set, look. These are cards. This is tornado. Look, this is the tornado one. This is the volcano one. That's the second. You will be excited for the last one. But look, you will need food coloring for it. You can use any color. It only has to be this color. Blue, green, red, or yellow. And look, this is the last one. Snow! But look, this is cool. Wow, they look amazing. And this is everything. This is snow. But you want to actually see what you want that you make? This instructions. And can I show you how I'm making the snow boy? And you open this bag up. It has eyes for this guy. And watch him. Look what he can do. He's weather field. He can go backward and go forward and back. It's snow time, and first we need a large bowl, a glass bowl, so we can see through it. A teaspoon and a glass bowl, and we need some water. I'm gonna water in a plastic bowl, and the last ingredient is the best ingredient. Snow. Let that fall out. Snow. The snow's not even snow. The snow that's rain, go away. It will become snow until I add water that looks like salt now. You can add it to your food. I'm joking, never add it to your food. And now it's time to make snow. And then the first thing I'm gonna do is scoop 1 cup of water in my glass bowl. And here I go. Then 1 teaspoon of snow. Here I go. Look, I'm gonna mix it up. Look, I'm mixing it up, and it doesn't look like snow yet. Should I touch it? I'm making a big snowstorm. Ready for a ginormous snowstorm? Wait, look, and now I'm going to get into our field. Big, it's fluffy, and it's soft, and it's like, it's wet, but it's not too cold. And if you like, you can put this in the freezer to make it colder, like feel like snow more. And I'm gonna put mine in the freezer. I hope you had fun making snow with me. And see us in the next video about volcano explosion. Bye. I'm Solan Science Guy. Bye.